Hello dear students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter number 7 of Geography, in which we are discussing about major industries. In the previous module we studied about the iron and steel industry. In this module we shall study about the textile industry. The word textile is derived from the Latin word texere, which means to weave or weaving cloths. The woven cloth fabric was first used by the people of Harappan civilization in India about 5000 years ago. So weaving cloth is an ancient art. Different types of natural and man-made fibers are used to weave cloth. Natural fibers include wool, silk, cotton, linen, jute, etc. While man-made or synthetic fibers include nylon, rayon, acrylic, polyester, etc. On the basis of raw materials, textile industries can be classified as cotton textile industry, woolen textile industry, silk textile industry, and jute textile industry. So let's start with the cotton textile industry. The cotton textile, that is one of the world's oldest industry. Earlier, cotton cloth was made by hand, but that was a very slow and time consuming process. The muslin of Decca, the chintz of Masulipatam, calicos of Calicut, and gold embroidered cotton pieces of Burhanpur, Vadodara and Surat. They were famous in world for their quality and design. With the passage of time, handmade cotton clothes were replaced by the machine-made modern clothes. It happened with the Industrial Revolution during the 18th century, which we studied in one of the chapters of history. Cotton textile industry in India. In India, first cotton textile mill was established in 1818 at Fort Gloucester of Calcutta. But very soon it was closed down. Then in 1854, the first modern and successful cotton textile mill was established in Mumbai. It enjoys great locational advantages such as warm and moist climate, availability of a skilled and unskilled laborer, port, raw materials, etc. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is located in Gujarat on the bank of the river Sabarmati. It is also known as the Manchester of India. It has the second largest concentration of textile mills after Mumbai. The first cotton textile mill was established in Ahmedabad in 1859. At present, there are about 75 textile mills in Ahmedabad. The factors responsible for the development of textile industry in Ahmedabad are: it is located close to cotton growing areas, thus ensuring easy availability of raw material. The flat land and easy availability of land is suitable for the establishment of the mills. The climate is ideal for spinning and weaving. Moreover, Mumbai provides the best market facility. Osaka is located on the Honshu Island of Japan. It is a coastal city in Japan, which is the most significant textile center of Japan and also known as the Manchester of Japan. The geographical factors which are responsible for the growth of this industry are: the extensive plain around Osaka ensured that land was easily available for the growth of cotton mills. Warm and humid climate is well suited to spinning and weaving. The river Yodo provides sufficient water for the mills. Labor is easily available. Moreover, highly skilled and unskilled labor is available in Japan. Coal, water and other required power resources, they are also available. So dear children, this is all about this module. We shall continue the chapter with the next module.